A planet called Theia, covered in seas and rivers, full of exotic gardens and wondrous creatures, flies out of its orbit. Dun 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 dun, and travels in the direction of our solar system. Dum 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 dum, hitting everything in its path. Theia makes Venus rotate in the other direction, breaks off a piece of the Earth, and apparently, by the law of bartender's tricks, shares some water with it, splashing a little on the Martians. Then it grabs at Jupiter so that it starts spinning faster. This causes Theia to crumble into small pieces so that fragments reach Saturn and form its rings together with cosmic dust. The remnants become moons of Uranus, and after this game of cosmic billiards, the universe makes every effort to stop us knowing about Theia. After all, it just wants to forget about it, like a bad dream. Dum 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 dum, dum 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 dum. No, this isn't a new Marvel movie plot. It's quite possible that this is what the hypothesis for the creation of the solar system will look like from the point of view of scientists who love Greek mythology just as much as they love getting research money from investors. Now, they're closing off any gaps when it comes to so-called Theia. In March 2021, scientists announced that they had found fragments of the alien world in the Earth's mantle. In this video, we'll go through their logic in detail and annihilate every unfounded theory. But most importantly, we'll find out for sure. So, where is the evidence for Theia's existence? It's our eternal companion, but how did it come about? And who's responsible for our tides, for howling wolves, and for sudden headaches and irritability? The scientists believe we owe that to Theia. The logic of the scientists looks like this. Since the moon exists, then there's Theia, which could have chipped and knocked the moon off the Earth with a strong blow. David Scott and James Irwin went to the moon to collect samples, and they hit the jackpot. On the 1st of August 1971, the Apollo 15 astronauts found the Genesis Stone. When it was examined, it turned out that the oxygen isotopes of the Earth and the Moon were almost as identical as Logan Marshall Green and Tom Hardy. This could just confirm the hypothesis about Theia. It's believed that the moment Theia hit the Earth, about 100 million times more energy was released than when the dinosaurs became extinct. Some of the outer layers of the Earth evaporated, and both celestial bodies melted, and part of the mantle was thrown into orbit around the Earth. This hypothesis explains why the Moon has an unusual composition and has no metallic materials. The ejected material condensed into a single body, and under the influence of its own